Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? Nice to meet you. In this meeting, we are going to learn about how to make a cup of coffee. Okay, students, look at my presentation how to make a cup of coffee. First, boil the hot water and then put into the flask. And then prepare the cup and prepare the sugar and then prepare a powdered coffee. The first step, put 2 teaspoons of sugar and then put 2 teaspoons of coffee powder and pour the hot water and stir it well. The coffee ready to serve. Your task now, please practice how to make coffee and then make video send to me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.